Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about another fundamental principle of object-oriented programming called abstraction, which allows us to create interfaces which acts as a contract, ensuring that all subclasses follow a common structure. It cannot be instantiated directly and defines a set of methods that must be implemented by any subclass. So starting from what we did in the last lesson, let's make the shape class abstract, inserting ABC. And then let's make also his method abstract using a decorator, add abstract method. Let's remove this part. Let's create another abstract method, add abstract method, def, perimeter, parentheses, self, column, line, pass. And now let's implement this new method in the subclasses, def, perimeter, and let's 3.14 multiplied by self dot radius multiplied by 2. Let's implement this method in the other class, def, perimeter, 2 multiplied by parentheses, self dot width plus self dot height. So we overrided the area and perimeter methods from the abstract class. Now let's instantiate two objects from these subclasses. Shapes equal, square brackets, circle, parentheses, 3, comma, rectangle, parentheses, 4, 5. New line, for shape in shapes, column, new line, print, parentheses, f string, curly brackets, shape dot, double underscore, class, double underscore, dot, double underscore, name, double underscore. Area, column, curly brackets, shape, dot, area. New line, print, parentheses, f string, curly brackets, shape, dot, double underscore, class, double underscore, dot, double underscore, name, double underscore, perimeter, column, curly brackets, shape, dot, perimeter, parentheses, and let's run it. And as you can see, we have been able to use these subclasses by implementing the interface and overriding all of its abstract methods. Now let's recap. So we learned how to use abstraction to create abstract class, abstract method, and interface. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.